All right, YouTube, Louis Diddy here, back with another video. I'm showing you the first stages here of a home office redesign. I've been using this IKEA hack desk for a couple of years now. I have some other videos where you can see that in more detail. But now I'm going to take that same idea but improve on it a little bit and then use these pieces to reconfigure something to mount, to make a piece that'll be below the television. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna split this room here. I've already moved this piece from where it used to be over there. And where you see this makeshift desk for now, I will be making a new IKEA desk and mounting some things on top of that and setting up a whole new workspace. So I've already, let's see if I can make this a little brighter. So I've already started with this, which is going to be one of the legs per se of my IKEA desk. This is an Oddvald IKEA piece. So I've already set that up. That was pretty simple. This will be one of the supports for another kitchen top from IKEA like this one that I'll be using. So I'll be showing you that here coming up. I still have a lot of pieces here to put together. So I will be back once I've made some more progress. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put all these pieces together and I should end up with the other base or support for my IKEA kitchen cabinet or kitchen, what is it, tabletop desk. All right, so here is the results. It's a mess right now. Spent an hour or two putting these two pieces together. And then the central piece, this kitchen tabletop that we are gonna use for the desk. I'm very happy to report that in this case, I didn't have to drill it to these pieces. It's simply laying on top. It is very heavy and it's not gonna move. So that makes it a lot easier. And now I just have to set everything up and start moving from the old one to the new one. And I will show you the end results and I'll include all the details of the pieces, including the name and type of this one in the description. So make sure you take a look at that for the full details. All right, so I'm still in the process of setting everything up and cleaning it up, and this is not the final result, but I wanted to show you a couple of the products I will be using here, and we'll include links to them in the description. We have the Philips Hue strip. It's about 80 bucks. I'm gonna paste this in the back of the desk to light it up from the back. About an Ethernet switch for my Ethernet connections, and I'm going to use this Gorilla mounting tape. This will help me tape that back up since it's been somewhere else for about 1.5 years or 2 years, so it might not be as sticky as before. So I got that for that. And this I really like. It's an Anchor wall I forget what it's called, but it gives me 4 connections, 2 on each side for AC plugs and then USBs on each side, and it has a night light. So I'm putting that on all my outlets instead of using regular surge protectors. So I think that's a really efficient way to use your outlets and add some USB connections. So if you're interested in any of that, I'll put some referral links in the description, and then I'll show you here coming up the final look once I'm done setting all of this up. All right, so here you have the end result of the Philips Hue light strip installed in the back of this desk. I used some Gorilla Glue tape to make sure it stays there, and it looks amazing. That'll be probably the only lighting I'll use in this part of the room in the office, and it's perfect. I really recommend these Philips Hue light strips. This is a 2nd generation one. It's really good. So just wanted to show you the progress here as I continue to set this up. All right, everybody, so here you have the finished product. I've spent now most of my day now setting all of this up, but very satisfied and happy with the results. You would be too. I mean, this is just, looks great, looks very high quality. The colors are great. It's nice and sturdy, heavy. It feels really good. I mean, it's not going anywhere. The drawers are really nice. I'm still gonna buy some other things to organize my drawers a little better, but they feel good. They're smooth. Even have a file cabinet down here. So I will include, and I'll put up a picture right now so you can see all the pieces, but all of this together is $275. Let's call it $300 with the with taxes, but there you go. It looks great. The Philips Hue light strip behind, attached to the back there, is just perfect. I'll show you what it looks like in another color just so you can get an idea. Hey Google, make the office strip blue.
Sure, changing the office strip to blue.
Hey Google, turn off office lamp.
Okay, turning the office lamp off.
There you go, guys. So I just wanted to show you my desk upgrade. I had a similar version, my first attempt at this. I had that for about 3 or 4 years and it worked out really well. But this one now, I wanted to make it a little nicer and really improve on it. So once again, this is an example of an IKEA desk hack with IKEA kitchen parts. Well, most of them, that's not a kitchen part right there, but the tabletop and this other piece down here, the file cabinet, are kitchen accessories. So you can do this. It's very easy. You can do it in one day, and for the price, I think it's hard to beat it. So once again, remember, all the details will be in the description, including some of the items I used. I really like that surge protector accessory here with the 4 connections on the side and 2 USBs. So thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos if you haven't. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.
Hey yo, cocaine pops looking like Basquiat's on the triple deck yacht, copping blocks, had the orange stripes on the 350s. Get with me, hanging out the 8 shot the nigga like a Ricky 45 in the classic gas with the triangle.